Hello and welcome back to your 35th Django tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and fix what I didn't get to fix in the previous tutorial because my mouse died. So let's go ahead and do that. Up at the top of your page, in control_base.html, we need to load our static. So load static. All right, and then we need to load in down here where Jumbotron is. We don't need Jumbotron. We need dashboard, I believe they call it. Dashboard.css. Now let's go ahead and refresh our page. It should work at that point. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Alright, so you see we got our subject, we got our body, we got our emails, and we got our status. Alright. Just go ahead and create a subject. We'll call it a newsletter. And the body, newsletter. And you can click one email address, or you can select multiple email addresses by using Shift. We'll come down and put the status to published because remember we put an if statement in there. If it's published, we're going to send. If it's not published, we're just going to save it. So we'll go ahead and save it. And you notice nothing happened. Alright. Sorry about that. My dog came in crying. But anyhow, nothing happened. I'm not going to open up my email. I'm actually just going to check on my phone if it's sent. Just to save some time here. And no, I didn't get an email. So alright, let's go ahead and troubleshoot this real quick. Open up your views.py file. Let's just make sure we got everything we need to have in here. So we're getting the form here. It's request.post or none. Alright, that looks good. If form is valid, instance form.save, newsletter, newsletter objects.get id, instance id. And then if newsletter.status is equal to published, subject, newsletter, subject, body, from email. That all looks good. Send email, stimulus. Well, let's check and see if it's saved to our admin panel. So, newsletters. Newsletters. Alright, so it didn't even save to our newsletter. Try this again. Interesting. Interesting. Oh. No, that's right. Form. Request. Blowing my mind here. If form is underscore valid, instance form.save. Check our template. I'm sorry, but I was trying to speed up this whole. Oh. This button has to be inside your form. Right? No. Yeah. Put it inside your form. Save it. Now try it. I'll just refresh. I'll make a newsletter. Letter. Published. There's my newsletter. There, we got that working. Now let me see if that's sent to my email. No. Let me check the models real quick. Did we call it published? Yeah, we call it published. That's why. Alright. So this should be published. I was right the first time I did that. There we go. Now go back and actually just refresh and redo another one. Cancel. There we go. We'll call it newsletter 1. Newsletter. Down here. Boom, boom, boom. For some reason I thought we called it publish. And then there we go. Alright, so that should send right there. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. In the next tutorial, we'll get and change this up a little bit. We'll add a message, and then we'll roll into finishing up the newsletter app itself. So if you got any questions, let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.